Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ACBA Designs. On this tutorials, I'm going to teach you how to make these beautiful petal designs by using my tiny bones. Okay, so let's get started. Right, so these are the materials I'll be needing for the tutorials. My pins, scissors, pencil, tape measure, tailor's chalk, my beads, like half pearls, yeah, my template, and then satin fabric. Okay, so now I am about to draw my design on a template. So the length of my design or my petal, I want it 5 inches plus allowance ½ inch on both sides, top and down, so making 6. Okay, so I'll then locate the center of it, that is 2.5. Then I'll be locating the center at the top area too, that is 2.5. Afterwards, I'll draw the oval. Okay, so where the opening is, the hem of the oval, I needed an interval of 2 inches, so 1 inch at both sides. After I'm done drawing the oval, I'll go ahead and then cut out. Okay, so I'll make sure it's really oval, like everywhere is perfect. Okay, so I'll be cutting out. After cutting out, I'll be cutting this on my fabric pieces. Great. So this is my fabric pieces. I then folded it into 2 like this and then traced the template onto it by using my chalk. After tracing, I then went ahead to cut out. So I'll be cutting 2 of that in addition, making 3. So meaning all the pieces are going to be 6 pieces. That is pair each, so 3 pairs. Okay, I then divided it into 2. I'll be cutting another one, so I'll be cutting 3 of that. Okay, so this is what I have after cutting out my 3 pairs. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and then sew ½ inch all round. I'm actually sewing ½ inch all round. I'll be repeating the same thing on the other 2 pairs as well. So after sewing all round, the next thing to do is to go ahead and then notch all round, so that when I turn to the right side, at least the edges are going to relax. So I'll be notching all round. After notching, I'll then turn to the right side. Great, so this is what I have after turning it to the right side. Okay, so the next thing to do is to go ahead and then fix in the bones. But first of all, I will then measure all around the petals. So as you can see, I had 12.5. So I'll be cutting 12.5 of the bone. So as you can see, this is it. I will then fold it into 2 like this and then try to insert it into the petals like this. Great. Please try to iron yours. Okay, so this is it. I would prefer inserting in bone more than stiffing. Okay, so this is what I have after inserting in the bones. The next thing to do is to go ahead and then trim about half an inch or 1 inch off the bones to create some spacing for finishing, as you can see. So after trimming off some inches from the bones, the next thing to do is to go ahead and then fold it in about 1/4 inch and then stitch at the edge like what I'm doing. Okay, so I'll go ahead and then stitch along. Okay, try to cut off the excess thread to make your work more neater, and then iron it before inserting in the bone. So this is what I have. The next thing to do is to go ahead and then overlap one side of the petal onto the other side and then pin. So I'll be repeating this on all the 3. So I will overlap one side onto the other side and then I will pin. Great, so this is what I have. The next thing to do is to go ahead and then apply my halftails. Okay, so I'm designing it. I'll be doing this on all the 3 petals created. Please, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and then press the notification bell to notify you anytime I upload any video. Okay. So this is what I have after embellishing it with my halftails. The next thing to do is to go ahead and then arrange it on it like this. Afterwards, I'm going to stitch down with my thread and needle. So I'll be stitching down or secure it with my thread and needle like what I'm doing. Great, so after securing down, I then added let's say a white trimming or something to hide the edge of where I secured or where I used the thread and needle. So this is it after trying on my dress. You can try it in any part of the dress. So this is the final look. Thank you all for watching my videos. See you all in our next video. Bye.